Thunderstorm Team.
A look across the airport now as we check out North Fargo. Things very quiet. We started out the day gray. That's not the way we're finishing it up. Plentiful sunshine, 84 degrees, and feels warmer than that because even though we did have northerly winds that typically bring drier air and cooler air to the valley, that's not the case today. We remain on the humid side, a little muggy in Grand Forks as well. 84 degrees, wind from the northwest at about 12 miles per hour. We still have mid-80s up and down the Red River Valley, Wahpeton, Breckenridge at 82, 81 Valley City and Devils Lake. It is somewhat cooler in Langdon at 79. That's the same reading we have now in Thief River Falls and Detroit Lakes. And as we head into the evening, the radar fairly quiet, but we still have dew points that are elevated in the 60 to 65 degree range, and that's what's making it feel a little sticky outside. Radar, few sprinkles moving down through the Beltrami County area right now, exiting out of Clearwater County. Bemidji, you may have a hit and miss shower in and around your area. No lightning with this activity, but a brief heavy shower possible as we head through the evening. Hour-by-hour forecast shows that we could have an isolated shower mainly up to the north. Otherwise, all of us fairly quiet, and temperatures dipping down in the 60s in north central Minnesota and 70s here. Overnight quiet for most, but surprise, what's that? That's showers and thunderstorms to start your Saturday morning. Best chance southeast North Dakota. I don't expect them to be severe, but just know you could start out your Saturday morning with a few sprinkles of rain. Don't expect them to last long. Look what happens. Midday, south winds, 10 miles per hour or so. Passing showers showing back up on the model in the midday hours. Not certain that that's going to take place. By and large, I think we're going to be fairly quiet and temperatures soaring to near 90 in the afternoon. Look at the sun here as the air show goes on. I think without a hitch, maybe a brief sprinkle here or there. It's in the late afternoon. We could get some strong thunderstorms well to the south of us, and then maybe in the late night hours up along and north of Highway 2, and some of those could sneak down to the south and east through the evening hours with the heat, again, approaching the 90-degree range, and with the humidity in the area. A couple of these storms may indeed be severe. We'll keep our eyes on the skies. Our model changing its tune just a little bit, even from a couple of hours ago, now showing those storms moving through the Grand Forks and Fargo areas as well. So at least a chance of late night thunderstorms in the forecast. Temperatures for Fargo, hour by hour style, rising through the 70s. In the midday hour, we'll already be in the 80s. It's going to get very close to 90 for your Saturday afternoon. Again, winds 5 to 15 miles per hour from a south-southwesterly direction. Best chance of 90-degree weather will be from the Red River and points west. Jamestown 89 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, perfect lake day. A south breeze, not too bad on the waves out there, and warm enough to make that water feel oh so refreshing. And speaking of the weekend here in the FM area, temperatures near 90 both days for the air show here in Fargo. Saturday storms a possibility, hit and miss really. Sunday looks a little bit quieter. Storm chances return into next week, especially Tuesday. And then we cool off late in the week. That's late in the month. Then we start a new month, and looks like we'll cool off just a touch out there as we head into next week.
All right, it's going to be warm this weekend, so drink lots of water, that's for sure.
Remember your four-legged furry friends, too. Don't leave them in the car. Give them some fresh water.
Exactly.
Yep.
All right, coming up later in sports, Beth's got a lot on her schedule. We'll see what she's got.